a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me.
Thanks for joining me today. Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Today I need to deep clean my refrigerator. I'm going to go get some groceries tomorrow, so I figured today would be the perfect time to go ahead and clean it out. I do have 2 Dollar Tree bins that I may or may not use. We'll just kind of see how it goes. I'm going to go through the refrigerator and see, you know, what stuff we need to throw away, what stuff we can keep, and then kind of organize it a little bit. So let's go.
Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in.
So I wanted to take a second to kind of reintroduce myself. My name is Deandra Marie. I go by Just Marie Homemade here on YouTube and Instagram. And my goal here on my channel is to give other moms and women tips and tricks on how to turn your house into a home, all while making homemade meals and yummy treats for your family.
Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
You guys, are we like rabbits? I have no idea why we have so many bags of carrots down here. So, you know, when the kids came home, I was like, oh, you're ready for a snack? All right, grab some carrots and get some ranch and let's get to eating. If you guys have something that you would like to see from me, please let me know in the comments down below. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. And here I'm I'm just using a disinfecting wipe to wipe down the entire inside of the refrigerator before I put all the food back in.
I do, you're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby. Got this fire on my head, and don't dare to let go. Cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack, and you can fix the pain. Without you, the same again.
So I just used the stainless steel wipes that I found at Target. What do you guys use to clean your stainless steel appliances?
Your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins. Put your hands gently on my face. What can I do if there's tears? You kiss them all away. What can I do? There's no way I could ever walk away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby. Got this fire on my head, and don't dare to let go. Cause each day for you, my love will grow. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack, and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Oh, oh, your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins. Yeah, your love runs through my veins.
Okay, you guys, that took me way longer than expected, but I'm so glad it's done now because it's looking really good and fresh and ready for the new groceries tomorrow. So I will show you an up close of everything in just a second.
I'm falling for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I gave you some motivation to clean and organize your fridge for free. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you very soon in a brand new video. Bye-bye.
I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. I just assumed we were more every occasion.